Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, it's your girl Lori. Hey, girl, hey, how y'all doing today? I hope you're having a great one. Y'all, we have another fun video. We are going to be doing some swatches and some eye looks, and I'm going to give you my final thoughts on the new Viseart Solstice palette. They dropped two palettes. I only picked up one, and this is the one that I picked up. And I'm gonna let you guys know how I feel about it, if I like it, if I think it's brown girl friendly, if I think you need it, and who it's for. So all you gotta do is just what? Say it with me. Keep on watching.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah. Check out Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life.
All right, y'all, let's get into this video. So what I did was I went ahead and primed my eyes with my Urban Decay caffeine. And then I put on my face just to do something real light was the Charlotte Tilbury, the Hollywood Flawless Filter in the number 7. And then I set it with the deeper shade that they have, in case you haven't seen it, is the Airbrush Finishing Powder, Flawless Finishing Powder, the powder, and this is number 4. And I do have a video on this, so I'll leave it up here somewhere. But y'all, we are here to talk about Viseart. They came out with 2 new summer palettes, the little petite ones. And the first one is, I think it's called Midsummer's, something like that. I'm not sure. But this one that I picked is called Solstice. And y'all, look at the packaging. When I tell you, I really love these little palettes right here. They retail for $30. They are perfect for traveling. Like I had one on a cruise once, and when I tell you, I took like 4 or 5 of them, and it didn't take up no space at all, and I was able to get so many looks. But let me show you what it looks like. It does have a mirror in the palette, and it comes in what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 shades. On top, you get 4 mattes, and on the bottom, you're going to get 3 shimmers and 1 duochrome. So what I want to do is go ahead and we're going to swatch these. Now, when I was looking at both of these palettes, because both of these palettes are supposed to be like on the nude side, kind of like the nude on your eye, quick, easy looks, not nothing like, no real big pops of color. It's just like a nude, because it's like this trend going on, everything nude. So I figured they were saying like a nude for your eye. And when I looked at both of the different palettes, the other one had more mauve tones, but it looked a little bit cooler. It was neutral, but this one to me was neutral, but a little warmer. So I figured maybe this one would be better for me. So we're going to swatch the 4 mattes that are on top. And you guys are familiar with Viseart's formula, so you know. So let's get into it. This is the first shade. Second one. And they're looking really light. They got more of a like peachy type of undertones, these do. And then this is the darkest shade. I'm really liking this one right here, because this one has like a little bit like a terracotta. I don't know if it's coming across. Can you guys see that? So that's what those are looking like on your girl. Yeah, I really like this shade. Now that dark shade to me is more on the cool side. So you guys know I love me a dark outer V. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get that with that color, but we're gonna see. And now let's do this. I'm gonna do the 3 shimmers, and then I'll do the duochrome shade last. So your 3 shimmers are these 3 right here. 1, 2, 3. So let's do the swatches. Very pretty. And if you know anything about Viseart's, their shimmers are not, ooh. Okay, I just went ahead and did it. Their shimmers are not those type of shimmers that are all up in your face type situation. So there go the shimmers. So as you can see, this is a very neutral, and I can see where that nude theme is going, very nudie, with just a little bit of color. And you know their formula, their colors are always very pigmented. So now the last shade, which is this one right here. Make sure it's coming across. There it goes, so you can see. That's the dual shade. Now we're going to do her on the finger. Ooh. Oh, this is a little bit of a surprise right here. Do y'all see that? Let me see if I can. Do y'all see that blue? It looks pink. Let me see if I can build that up so you can really see. Oh, yeah. There's a pink and blue shift. Y'all see that? I hope it's coming across. Let me put it against my skin on my hand. You see that? That's pretty. That was a little pop of a surprise. So, y'all, so those are the swatches. I feel like I'll give you my thoughts at the end. Let's go, and I'm gonna do something very simple, nothing major, but I kind of want to work with this dual chrome, y'all. I think I want to do something that you wouldn't expect to be able to get out of this palette. How about that? That's what we're gonna do. All right, so I'm gonna go in with my Sonia G brush, y'all, and go in with the deepest shade, because it's a cool brown, and I don't feel like it's gonna give me a lot of depth. So I'm gonna use that basically all over the lid. And place it on the, okay, it's a little darker now that I put it on. A little bit, I can see that. It's a little bit more depth to it. But it's not as dark as I would want for my outer V, so I'm not gonna even play myself and try to do that. But I don't think that's what this palette was created for. I think it really is like what they say, like a nude. Oh, this is so pretty. It's a pretty soft brown. Yeah, this is soft. That's gorgeous. That's pretty all by itself. Y'all know how I like to take them colors and do the one and done type situations. And I could definitely see myself doing that with this particular color. And you know, we know their formula is great. Their mattes blend out like a dream. So that's one thing I don't worry about, the formula. You know, some brands, how you just don't have to worry about the formula and how they're gonna, you know, work. Viseart is one of those brands for me. Okay, so I kind of built that up to give it a little bit of depth. Oh, y'all, I done changed my mind. I have already changed my mind, because I think I want to use this shade right here. Yeah, I'm gonna give you that look that I was thinking about. I'll do that another day, because now that I put this brown on and it's a little bit deeper than what I anticipated it to be, I'm gonna go a different route. How about that? And we're gonna show you just how quick you can get an eye look. And y'all know me, I be blending to forever. That's just me. I like to blend. And I love this brush because it's so big. It's actually from the Sonia G face set. It's the detail brush, but it's perfect for when you want to get a lot of shadow on your eye and blow it out. Yeah, we're going a different route. I got a whole new vision. Okay, so now since this palette is supposed to be like a nude, so I want to go in with, let me go in with, I'm looking at this shade right here. This is the shimmer. And I'm just going to pop. Ooh, that's pretty. That's pretty. We're just going to pop it right on the lid, y'all. And you see how quick this look is coming together. That's why I'm doing it in real time so that you guys can see. Oh yeah. This gives you just enough shimmer, enough pop, but yet it's still subtle enough to where you still getting that soft look. You see what I'm saying? You got enough pop. It looks like I've done something, but I ain't done a whole lot. So I really, really like this. And the other look that I was thinking about doing, I wanted to use that dual chrome because it has that blue in it. And when you look at this palette, you would never think, oh, I can get a blue eye look, something blue. So if you guys want me to do that, leave it in the comment section. And I'll probably do it and post it on my Instagram. So make sure you're following your girl at It's Lori's Life on Instagram. And then we can see that if you guys want to. And as you can see, there's no fallout. Y'all, you see how simple this eye look turned out to be? Quick, easy, and like they said, this is a simple, everyday palette. You know what I mean? You don't have to do a whole lot of thinking when it comes to this palette. And then I think I'm going to go in with this matte shade right here, just to add a little something to the brow bone. Oh, this is not the brush I want. Y'all see how pigmented these colors are? Viseart don't be playing when it comes to that pigmentation. So if you were looking at this palette and you were on my complexion, you're wondering if it's going to show up, you see the colors show up. And it's like such a soft, romantic, you know, really easy, simple palette. I'm here for it, y'all. So far, so good. What do y'all think? All right, let me go finish up the rest of my makeup, and then I'm going to come back and give you my final thoughts. Okay, y'all, I'm back. My face is completely done. I went very light because I felt like I just kind of wanted to go in that same little theme of that neutral, you know, natural look. So, y'all, I actually really like the look that I got with this eyeshadow palette. Now, this palette right here is not for the girl that wants that pop of color, that wants that shimmer that's like you could see from all the way from Mars. This is not the palette for you. But if you're the type that like a nice neutral look, something very simple with a just a pop, a shimmer that gives, you know, takes it up to the next level, make it look like you've done something, but you haven't done a whole lot, but you still noticeable, you know what I'm saying? That's what I feel like this palette will give you. It's definitely a neutral palette, but it's a little bit on the warmer side to me versus the other one. So it is a little warmer to me. And all of the product, I mean, all of the shadows that I've swatched, I like the formula. The mattes are very easy to build up. As you can see, you can definitely see there is definitely pigmentation in this palette. It's just an easy palette. Just like they said, everyday. This is someone who wants simple, everyday looks. And it's perfect for traveling because I feel like with this little surprise right here, that right here, y'all, I might have to do this right here because that surprised me. And the look that I was able to think about doing, like what I'm thinking in my mind, when I swatched it and I just put it on my lid, I was like, oh, wait, hold up. This is your little surprise color, this dual chrome. So you can still have fun with this palette. So am I happy I have her in my collection? Yes. And you guys know me. For those that don't know me, I love to put a lighter shade and then just throw a darker shade on the outer corner just for that contrast. I love those type of looks. And so when I see like all these lighter colors, I feel like I can really get that type, especially with the mattes, because you could definitely get an all matte look that will look really nice. So, oh, and also, y'all, I did go in with, they have lip glosses as well. So I went in with Mcgrath Ground Control, and then I just popped this on. Super simple. I wanted something super simple and easy, and that is exactly what I got. And I think this is a gorgeous, gorgeous look. But you guys, that is it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. If you plan on picking them up, let your girl know. Or if you already have it, let me know. And I will leave where you can purchase these at in the description bar. So if you decide you want to purchase it, then please use my link. If not, girl, purchase it however you normally do. That's fine. But y'all, this is a cute little surprise right here. A cute little surprise. And I'm telling you, yeah, this one shade, y'all know I like that orangey look. This shade, yeah, it's doing it for you, girl. But that is it, y'all. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at It's Lori's Life, because when I do the other look, I'll post it over there. And that's it, y'all. That's it. I gotta go. All right, so to all my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the grown women's table. And until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, or just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's Life, yeah, this is Lori's Life. Check out Lori's Life, yeah, it's Lori's Life.